Good day. On today's video I will show you how to fix the play that we've got on our steering. You are right now on the Mercedes W123 channel. I'm Hervé and I will show it to you. What is the play on the steering? Well, look, if I move the steering, look at the wheel. It's barely moving, but the steering, yes, it's moving a lot. So let's open the bonnet now and let's fix it. What we will adjust is right here. Not sure if you can see it, but here we've got the boost breaker. Below this we can see the direction column, and here we've got the box. Okay, on top of the box there's something that we can adjust. There's a bolt of 19 that goes right here, and you will see that at the center there's also a place to place an Allen. So basically we will loosen the bolt and tighten it. I will show you. I've placed a bit of penetrating oil here, okay, and I've loosened it. Now once it's loosened, use your Allen spanner and you will tighten. So you will go on the rotation of a clock. And obviously you will check with the steering if you're happy with the play or not. Okay. Once you're happy with it, you keep your Allen spanner inside so it doesn't move, and then you tighten again the 19 and the job will be done. That's it. This is how you fix the play on your steering. On mine, on my case, I still have some play. It's much better than before, but why do I still have some play? It's because inside the box it's worn. Why usually it's worn? It's because before we used to use for the steering ATF oil, which is automatic transmission fluid oil for the steering, which has been known to damage the box. So I suppose that's what happened on this car. So I will still have some play. It's something I can live with, but in case, if it's your case, obviously this can be rebuilt. Okay, so anyway, I hope that you have liked the video. Subscribe to the channel if it's not done so, and we'll see each other in the next one soon. Take care.